Go Buster!
Driving our toy car, spin, spin, vroom, vroom, vroom. We can watch it go, we can watch it go, spin, spin, vroom, vroom, vroom. Buster and Digley, it's time for a snack, but don't forget to put everything back. Time to play again, but the car's not around. We won't stop until the toy car is found. Finding our toy car, finding our toy car. Quick, quick, look, look, look. Oh, where did it go? Oh, where did it go? Quick, quick, look, look, look. We know that it's close by, it must be near. Buster thinks fast and has a great idea. All the piles of leaves, there's so many about. Let's get the controls and drive it out. Finding our toy car, finding our toy car. Quick, quick, look, look, look. Oh, where did it go? Oh, where did it go? Quick, quick, look, look, look. Driving our toy car, driving our toy car. Spin, spin, vroom, vroom, vroom. We can watch it go, we can watch it go. Spin, spin, vroom, vroom, vroom.
Lost his glow. A coat of paint will make you shine. A coat of paint and you'll look fine. A coat of paint will do the trick. But which color will Buster pick? Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, or purple too? What will Buster do? Who's that bus painted so red? It's Buster, but he's red instead. Maybe red is not your color. Go back and try another. Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, or purple too? What will Buster do? Who's that bus painted so blue? Uh-oh, blue is just not you. Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, or purple too? What will Buster do? Who's that bus painted so green? Buster, you don't seem keen. Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, or purple too? What will Buster do? Who's that bus painted so pink? It's back to the paint shop, I think. So many colors in a row, colors like a bright rainbow. Red, green, yellow, blue, pink, or purple too? What will Buster do? A coat of paint made me shine. A coat of paint and I look fine. A coat of paint did the trick. And yellow is the one I picked. Through the bus is covered in mud, covered in the slippy wet mud. Splashing in the puddles was so much fun, but now all the puddles have gone. But Buster the bus doesn't seem to fuss. Covered in the mud, he's a happy yellow bus. The city bus seems to disapprove of a muddy little Buster the bus. Buster, can you see yourself reflected in the glass? Now do you see that you're covered in mud and you really need to get clean fast? Yes, it's time to wash the grime. Car wash will make Buster shine. Off to the car wash Buster goes for a wash and a polish and a shine. But the car wash looks so scary and loud. Buster is so scared. on, Buster, no need to be afraid. Take a deep breath and get prepared for a scrub and a clean, a shiny yellow sheen, a rub-a-dub scrub, such a shiny windscreen. Come on, Buster, no need to be afraid. Clean the muddy mess you made. Buster will not drive inside, and the city bus honks, honk, honk. Buster jumps up really high. What's the rush, city bus? Why? It's time to get yourself clean. A scrub-a-dub-dub and a sparkling sheen. Drive into the car wash to get clean. A scrub-a-dub sparkling sheen. Buster takes one deep breath and pulls up to the door. Come on, Buster, don't be afraid. Just remember how clean you were before. It's time to see that shining yellow, and on the streets everyone will bellow. Buster the bus is a very shiny bus, a shiny yellow happy little bus. Well done, Buster. Let's go driving, yeah, let's go. It's Tony the truck, let's say hello. It's so much fun to have a ride. Best friends forever, side by side. Watch out, Buster, not so fast. That was close, you almost crashed. And watch out, Tony, mind your load. A pothole's right there in the road. Let's ride along the road. Working side by side and share the load. Working side by side, life's just a dream. When we are working as a team, there's lots of boxes all around. Up in the trees and on the ground. But look who's here to help you out. Go, go, it's Team Buster and Scout. Let's ride along the road. Working side by side and share the load. Working side by side, life's just a dream. When we are working as a team. There's such a surprise here for Buster today. His friends are all ready for a day of soft play. He jumps in the ball pit, enjoying the play. He's having such fun on this wonderful day. Buster is laughing and playing around, jumping and sliding with his favorite crowd. They're playing together, having some fun, having a wonderful day. A race on the slide next, ready, steady, go. Who'll be the winner? Well, we just don't know. They both go so quickly at such a fast pace, but Scout was the fastest and she wins a race. Buster is laughing and playing around, jumping and sliding with his favorite crowd. They're playing together, having some fun, having a wonderful day. You're finding your friends who are hidden away. you do and you too. Hey, what's that? You have drawn an ice cream, big and fat. Make a giant ice cream, that's your plan. You're off to see the ice cream van. You're off to see the ice cream van. With the help of Iggy Ice Cream Van, you can make the ice cream, yes you can. Lots and lots of yummy fruit ice cream. It's the biggest ice cream you've ever seen. It's the biggest ice cream you've ever seen. Making giant ice cream, what a great plan. With the help of Iggy Ice Cream Van. Red and blue and yellow, then some green. It's the biggest ice cream you've ever seen. It's the biggest ice cream you've ever seen. Robin's fetching Scout now, hey, what's that? A giant birthday ice cream, big and fat. Friends sing happy birthday, then they shout. It's time to blow the candle out. It's time to blow the candle out. Tony truck, go, go, go. Frankie hop, hop, says hello. Tony truck, stop, stop, stop. You left something on the road. A bottle of bubble bath. Bubbles flying, zooming past. Hello, Buster, come and play. Let's have a lovely day. Bubbles, bubbles, rolling, rolling up the road. Buster, watch Frankie go. Bubbles, bubbles, everywhere. Bubbles flying through the air. Bubbles, bubbly bubbles, soapy and clean. The coolest shapes you've ever seen. Frankie Frog leads the way. He knows the best place to play. Bubbles, bubbles. Frankie's made a bubble bath, and it looks like such a laugh. Bubbles, bubbles, up and down. Bubbles flying all around. So much fun in Bubble Lake. Bubbles, bubbles, shake, shake, shake. Frankie's captain of the ship. Scout jumps and does a flip. Time to leave the Bubble Lake. This bubbly adventure was so great. Bubbles, bubbles, up and away. In the sky it's time to play. Bye bye red balloon, come back very soon. Fly, fly way up high, chasing moons in the sky. Here's one just for you. Here's a green one too. Floaty balloons, big and bright, such a very pretty sight. So many colors in a row, up and away we go. Up and away, flying on a sunny day. Who's that down below? It's Terry. Wave hello.
Oh.
Fly, fly away so high, up above in the blue sky. And when the balloons pop, 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 then Buster Bus will drop. Red, orange, green, and blue, and pink balloons are such fun too. But now it's time to fly. Bye bye, balloons, goodbye. Jessie has a cake. Ooh, it looks so yummy. Jessie, just watch out, 'cause Bandit's being a bully. Oh, stop, Bandit Bus, take some good advice. If you want to have some friends, you need to be nice. Oh, you need to be nice. Digley builds a tower, builds it slow and steady. Digley, just watch out, 'cause Bandit's being a bully. Oh, stop, Bandit Bus, take some good advice. If you want to have some friends, you need to be nice. Scout is playing ball, playing with her buddy. Hey Scout, just watch out, 'cause Bandit's being a bully. Oh, stop, Bandit Bus, take some good advice. If you want to have some friends, you need to be nice. You need to be nice. Buster's feeling cross, he doesn't think it's funny. Buster, just watch out, 'cause Bandit's being a bully. Run, run, Bandit Bus, Bandit, run away. When you learn how to be nice, then come back and play. Buster's good at soccer, Buster's good at soccer. Buster likes to play, showing what he can do, showing what he can outside with Scout today. Buster has been spotted, Buster has been spotted, Buster has been seen. Would you like to come, would you like to come join the soccer team? When you're in a team and want to beat the rest, help each other out and always do your best. When you're in a team, you never stand alone. Show what you can do before the whistle's blown. Buster's feeling worried, Buster's feeling worried. Buster has a dream. He is dreaming that he disappoints his team. Buster, when you wake up, Buster, when you wake up, all you have to do, try your very best, try your very best, that's all you have to do. When you're in a team and want to beat the rest, help each other out and always do your best. When you're in a team, you never stand alone. Show what you can do before the whistle's blown. Buster's standing on the sidelines waiting, maybe soon he'll get to play. Buster, don't you worry, Buster, don't you worry, make us proud today. When you're in a team, you never stand alone. Show what you can do before the whistle's blown. Buster has the gold
tidy up, time to tidy up. Let's go, tidy team. We can make it clean, we can make it clean. Let's go, tidy team. Buster is trying to clean up the floor, making a bigger mess than before. Be careful, Buster, you think you are done. Are you sure it's tidy enough for your mom? This is not tidy, this is not tidy. Buster the Bus, we can do better than this. Time to tidy up, time to tidy up. Let's go as a team. We can make it clean, we can make it clean. Let's go, tidy team. Working together, Mom's helping too, making everywhere look good as new. Everything will look great, wait and see. Join in the tidy team with me. Time to tidy up, time to tidy up. Let's go, tidy team. We made it so clean, we made it so clean. Well done, tidy team. Scout has come to see if Buster wants to play. They're about to get going on their way. Here comes Grandpa with a toy that they can share and enjoy. Taking turns, they can drive it round all day. Buster starts the car and takes it for a spin. Scout is smiling as she waits, watching him. When she tries to take her go, Buster turns and won't let go. Oh no! Now he's acting pretty mean. Scout is angry and she snatches the controls. Buster grabs it back and will not let it go. Now the car is spinning off, crashing into the post box. The wheels are broken and it will no longer go. Oh no! Scout and Buster both drive off, getting mad. Very soon they are feeling pretty bad. It's much more fun to share when all your friends are there. Grandpa sees them and he knows they are sad. Grandpa shows them how to fix it as a team. Now the car is back together, shiny clean. They are sharing the controls and laughing as it goes. Friends that share are the best friends to be. Read, read, read a book, let the story shine. Everybody's listening, we love story time. Goldilocks is such good fun, the baby bear is best. But Buster's mom has things to do. Oh no, what happens next? Read, read, read a book, let the story shine. Everybody's listening, we love story time. Grandpa picks the story up, he's reading every line. But Buster could be out of luck because it's dinner time. Read, read, read a book, let the story shine. Everybody's listening, we love story time. Buster tries it by himself, he's really doing great. He can't wait to see what's next, he's reading every page. Read, read, read a book, let the story shine. Everybody's listening, we love story time. Hey there, Buster, what's that sound? Fizz, pop, whiz, and bang. It sounds like fireworks all around. Fizz, pop, whiz, and bang. They can make you jump, they can make you shout. Jump and shout all about fireworks are really loud. Hey there, Buster, what's that sound? Fizz, pop, whiz, and bang. What color will the fireworks be? Let's go outside so we can see. Wrapped up warm on a cold night. That sounds too loud. Quick, back inside. Hey there, Buster, what's that sound? Fizz, pop, whiz, and bang. It sounds like fireworks all around. Fizz, pop, whiz, and bang. They can make you jump, they can make you shout. Jump and shout all about fireworks are really loud. Hey there, Buster, what's that sound? Fizz, pop, whiz, and bang. Grandpa's whistle makes a peep, just like a football referee. Pop, pop, pop. Now what was that? As Mom makes popcorn for a snack. Hey there, Buster, what's that sound? Fizz, pop, whiz, and bang. It sounds like fireworks all around. Fizz, pop, whiz, and bang. They can make you jump, they can make you shout. Jump and shout all about